Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a big name at Microsoft that is actually retiring from Microsoft after 35 years of being there and starting with all sorts of different services and different software that were, being used, including he's played a role in the design of Internet Explorer back in the day, and of course moved on when it was to Xbox also. And right now, he's actually saying that although he is going to be retiring or leaving Microsoft in about a year, he wants to play a key role in what will be Windows 11 Agentic, and meaning that this is the Windows 11 with AI, totally AI driven. And of course, they're talking about Copilot plus PC, but also, that 1 year of helping out create a Agentic OS that will be basically revolving around artificial intelligence makes me think of a Windows 12 operating system. This makes me think that could this be the first, period of time where they're going to start working on what will eventually be Windows 12, and will Windows 12 be an agentic OS centered on AI? This is going to be an interesting thing to think about, because definitely they're going to take a year to really work on this. And one of the things that we think about is Windows 10 is going to be gone, and Windows 11 will be the only operating system that Microsoft is really taking care of, including on Copilot plus PC ARM devices and on Intel AMD systems x64. That would actually bring up the perfect time to have something new. And that something new could be what they are going to be working on in the next year. He seems to be very interested in all of this. And, a lot of people are not totally thrilled that Windows is going agentic, and that it could be a little too much to have a AI-driven Windows OS. But I certainly think about Windows 12 when I see this, or whatever Windows name they're going to give it in the day it's going to come out, because eventually there will be a new version of Windows. And I think this is the foundation of what Windows 12 will be. We'll see, in a year and a half, what announcements, what new things are going to arrive, and what we'll know. But this could be the next Windows. If you have any comments on this, let me know, and just let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.